Okay, so now we're going to look at two special trigonometric limits that we know. They're written right up here for reference. And we're going to look at these by way of example. So let's look at the limit x goes to 0, tangent x over x. Again, we cannot evaluate functionally. We would have 0 in the denominator. So let's see what we have using trigonometry. We know that's equal to sine x over cosine x over x. Sine x over cosine's tangent. Simplifying, we see this is the limit as x goes to 0 of sine x over x cosine x. Now, the product of the limit is the limit of the products provided both limits exist. So let's see if we can use that theorem. So we're going to have two limits. I can break this up as the limit as the limit of sine x over x as x goes to 0 times the limit as x goes to 0 of 1 over cosine x. Now this separation here, illustrated by the red multiplication, is only valid if both limits exist. Do they? Yes. This limit, as we see above, here, is equal to 1. And this limit can be obtained by functional evaluation. This is equal to 1 over the cosine of 0. And we know the cosine of 0 is 1. So this is 1 times 1 over 1, which is 1. So the original limit as x goes to 0 of tan x over x is equal to 1.